Bruh. 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 Bruh.
Two bitches, they into me. I thinking they feeling me. They gun off my energy. That's why they turn off my energy. My energy. My energy. I pump in my energy. I take off my energy.
What are you two? It's your boy, my Rachel, aka Mr. 23, aka Hard to Contain General, and I'm back at y'all with another game. With a gameplay against L3 and L2. They was on the 18-game winning streak. Me and my nigga Almighty, we took them off their little streak or whatever. I'll let you know, Hard to Contain, we on our way. We beat a couple niggas yesterday though. We beat the L2, or not L4. We made them niggas quit. Like, we made both of them niggas because they couldn't even score. But my Elgato was fucking up, man. Like, I had some good gameplay yesterday. My Elgato was fucking up, man. We had two L4. We took them off. They wasn't even on the streak for real. They were like on a 2-3 game win streak. Ooh, running like cash. Ooh, killed that nigga then. But yeah, I had L2, L4. We played them yesterday. We made them quit. We dropped them off. Oh yeah, and we went, man. We went like a 15-16 game win streak on the twos and on Old Town. Then one of my friends hit me up with like, Ray was in the park. I was like, man, you know what? We just gonna pull up on him. So we pulled up on him. I was making so bad about it. Nobody else wasn't known. Like, before we run the threes, whatever. Before we just knock the nigga off for real. So we had picked up a random. We had picked up like a little random center. But I was holding the spot. So my nigga, I might hop on the squad after we run the shit, but I got pulled back into the spot. You know how nigga just. Now I just want to play with competition anyway. I get it, said with competition. So this second ranked dude in Sunset, but they make it so bad about it. But niggas like that, they just play the game a lot. Because I was dropping the nigga off, but I had the game, play my Elgato. It say it was recording it, but. It said it was recording, but it really wasn't recording. I don't know, man. That shit be fucking up sometimes. But yeah, I was dropping the nigga off, man. Like, I was getting the nigga head like that, but he really can't play defense for real. But yeah, I gave him like a cool 12. He had like 2. I gave him a cool 12, but I wish the shit would have saved, man. If I could have showed y'all the gameplay, but this shit was fucked up or whatever. But I really wasn't tripping, so you know what I'm saying. Like, I still got a little gameplay that I can show y'all. Tell y'all, but I would still do the sneaker the sneaker show y'all the kick shit on Wednesday and shit, like with shit couple kick review and shit. But I want to get a better camera. See, I'm a perfectionist. I don't really just like settle for less and shit like that. Like, all my shit to be on point. I like to have the best quality and all this shit. So that's the only reason why I haven't brought it yet, because I'm going to get this camera. If I get a better camera, so it'd be better HD quality when I'm doing the videos and shit. So y'all just hold down on there. I still got this shit on the way. And what I was finna say, yeah, we still got a lot of shit. Like I said, man, 17, we taking over Hard to Contain. We taking over for real, you know what I'm saying? I see now, like I said, like you play a lot of little come ups with it. Like, I get the game free or whatever on 16. I saw this shit is free. 17 free for some people. Ooh, cash. I gotta start doing it, but that shit free though. Well, yeah, we play like a lot of come up and shit in the park. So just make sure y'all like I said, man, make sure y'all like, share the video, man, for people can know, man, about the giveaway. I will be doing that 100 subscribers, so everybody come and subscribe so I can do a good. Like I said, man, I know everybody ain't able to get the game. Some people might gotta wait. Like, little kid might gotta wait on their allowance or some shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, then my line might not be them. I gotta say that. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody ain't able to get. Like I said, man, everybody ain't able to get the game. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm just put myself in position. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I know I ain't got a lot. I ain't up and like that, but you know what I'm saying? I just give away. You know, this is me just giving back to people. You know what I'm saying? They give me support. I will do like I said, I will do NBA 2K17 giveaway. So make sure you like, share the video. And my Red Show, and I'm out.